So this is really kind of like a review to show you how you can adapt your lessons to HyFlex. But first, I wanted to model. I wanted to model a not adapted lesson plan, and then for you to see how the lesson plan was adapted. I will tell you, I did the lesson plan with AI and I did the adaptations with AI, which is something great about AI is that you can ask it to adapt your lesson for HyFlex, and it will. So I'm going to open up this lesson plan. Okay, so this is a lesson plan that I asked AI to create about job interview skills. The level was beginning adult ESL students, and of course the topic is interviewing for a job. So let's look at this. The warm-up is icebreaker. Students pair up, share their names, one job they'd like to have in English. So they're speaking in English, meaning, okay? Then they pair, the pair shares one job with the whole class. The vocabulary introduction, introduce key vocabulary, use pictures or flashcards. So for the warm-up, let's see how it was basically adapted to HyFlex. And now it says, here's the icebreaker, same thing, students pair up, share their names. The adaptation was online students, they can use a breakout room to pair up. So the teacher could put them in breakout rooms. Google Meet now has breakout rooms, or Teams has breakout rooms. But if it's only one student, right, online, then you have a classroom student with a laptop, a student laptop, they join in on Google Meet and pair up with the online student. I know a couple of you do that. I saw it in action with Lisa Wilson Sharman's class, where when they went into group work, they took a student laptop and had the online student join them in their 3-people group. So that's available. Whole class, use Google Slides presentation. So if they're sharing, what they could do is they could write on it where they can add their text about job preference. So instead of just saying it in the classroom, they would also be typing it out, just like I have you type out on these Google Slides, right? So the Google Slides here are editable. You're able to go in and add your notes, add comments. When we do group activities, you're able to add all of that stuff. So I was modeling it as a way for you to be able to use it in the classroom. Yes, Ellie is highlighting adapted. So I love it. So you can see what each other's doing. So I think that's great. Okay, going back, the vocabulary introduction. Introduce key vocabulary. Here's the HyFlex adaptation. Have flashcards online. Share your screen so both in-person and online students can view. Also create a shared Google document where both groups can add vocabulary words and definitions.